I'm expecting to see the development of lines that the World Veg is working on.
This is my first time in the African Vegetable Breeding Consortium workshop, and I'm looking forward to learn from the experts, the breeders from the AVBC. Want to bring more package and attributes to our portfolio so that we can address the challenges that the African continent is facing.
I'm expecting to see the development of lines that the World Veg is working on. As a hybrid seed company, we want to use these lines in our hybrids. We want to see the resistance that they're working on, as we are working also to breed for sub-Saharan Africa. Yeah, so I'm expecting to see a lot this week.
Hii ni workshop yangu ya kwanza kushiriki katika workshop kama hizi. Matarajio yangu makubwa ni kupata network source za kuweza kupata seed variety tofauti. Natarajia kujifunza vitu vingi sana ambavyo vitaenda kusaidia kwa wakulima wetu ambao wana round na sisi.
I also want to discuss with the breeder. I know the breeder of the peppers is here, and he has been working on the habaneros, and I would like to see the progress that he has made so far, so that I can also get some lines that I can work with my project back in Africa.
And at the end of the day, to have lines that I can take forward to address the food security and nutrition that is facing the East Africa and Africa at large.
Wakulima wanakuwa na vitu vingi ambavyo wana face challenge, alafu pia variety ambazo tuko nazo almost ni zile kila siku. Kwa hiyo tumekuja kwanza kujifunza, pili kupanua uwigo kwa demand ya soko yetu ambayo ipo kule.
Africa is the way forward. Africa is the future. Therefore, with that objective, we have registered for this AVBC. And we are really happy to be here. We have very productive discussions with the breeders of World Veg, and also we were able to see the lines live in the field of different crops: tomato, hot pepper, and pumpkin, okra, even okra, and also other crops. And this is a good opportunity for us to go through the lines performance in the field and make a decision. And really, this is a very productive, and I think this is a good workshop. And I would like to thank organizers and also the World Veg breeders for making it really successful. And we are really looking forward to be a part of future AVBC workshop.
We have learned and discussed a lot of things on the agriculture value chains, and we have seen together where are the challenges in different areas. We came to the conclusion that most of the areas we have the same challenges, and everyone in the consortium is working hard to overcome those challenges. So the breeders, the sellers, the researchers, they're working very hard to overcome those challenges and help farmers and stakeholders in the value chains.
It was really nice to participate in this World Veg Breeding Consortium. And we had to spend time with different people, different seed companies, and also some stakeholders in agriculture. We had time to exchange our ideas, to exchange our knowledges. Us as a company, Rexon, we have tried to show them what we do, how do we create value from our seeds then to the consumer. So we have shown them how our seeds are not very expensive as people claim to be. So we have shown them that only 2% of the profit of a farmer is what goes to the seeds. So we have shown them how potential our seeds are, and we have also given them an opportunity to see the performance of the varieties in the field.